super close to selling it, man. Yeah, I'm selling it. F it. Break and retest. That's what I hope that this is. Gonna have to hold this one now, though. Last night was a banger. I'm not expecting the same kind of thing, but then at the same time, like I said, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, most of the day it's just been doing this shit. So these wicks used to put me off, but I don't really, take too much notice of them anymore, because like I said, when the market's actually open and the volume steps in, we're going for these as TPs. Oh shit, we're already fucking popping, man. See what I'm saying? All right, so I'm not gonna jump in yet, but I'm definitely moving this down. But remember now, it's the 1 minute time frame, so it's going to be more volatile. It's going to be way more volatile. But we are like literally 1 minute away from opening up anyway. But the TPs are clear to me. These are definitely the TPs, and then above would be there, and the next clear one would be anywhere around there, really. All right, we're open. If that pushes back down, I'm getting in for sales. I'm selling. Bit of a late entry, but the volume was there. All right. I'm not going to give it too much time, though, to fuck me around. So if it does want to respect this and pop off to the upside, I'll get out. But right now, oh, nah, see what I'm saying? Shit. I went in with too minis. It's okay. I'm staying in it for a sec. Giving it a chance. It just opened, so I'm not getting pushed out of it yet. It's not bullying me out yet, but I'm keeping my eye on it. Realistically, a 40-point stop would be like the most that I'd want to use. All right, so we're pushing. We want this bearish volume to keep up, basically. Then you can like tighten up your stop loss, make it make sense. With a 30-point stop, that'd be a 2-point, almost, yeah, like a 2.5 risk to reward. 1 to 3s is usually what I'm going for. But like I said, if I get a chance to trail my stop loss, then I will. And I keep saying, like I said, I don't know if I said that on this session, but I usually say that. So that's why I say, like I said. But you probably ain't heard me say that once this fucking session. It's doing everything I want it to do. Yeah, it's okay for a minute. I just want to see it push down a little bit deeper so I can move the break even and trail the stop loss, etc. Feel free to close your trades whenever you're in profit, though, and you've seen enough. Don't just hold it because I am. Like, if you see a nice bit of profit or whatever and you're happy, then feel free to close your trades. I'm all right for a sec. I don't like how it's rejected this area, though. Not going to lie. So I'm going to keep my eye on it now extra because of this wick. But it was a decent little breakout. Probably almost a 1-to-1. Depending on the size of your stop loss. If you set a solid stop loss, you probably would have been taken out, but I didn't set a solid one tonight, which could be a bad thing, to be honest. You should, because of what happened last night, that should be a lesson to set stop losses. All right, so we're pulling back. I want to see it get bearish quickly again, otherwise I'm just going to have to close my trade on a small loss before it gets too big and think about flipping that position, boy, because it don't look like it wants to go down.
Order filled.
Closing that before it even hits my stop loss, because I know it's about to. All right, bitch. Got me thinking like it just swept out a bit of liquidity from these lows and might want to pop to the upside. So, yeah, I'm just waiting to see if it carries on bullish now. That rejected. So, that could be a break and a retest. I hate trades like this. I hate it when they're not straightforward, man. All right, so this is a break and a retest, is it? What are we doing here? Super close to selling it, man. Yeah, I'm selling it. Fuck it. Break and retest. That's what I hope that this is. Gonna have to hold this one now, though. Make that 500 loss mean nothing. Well, 4.8. Yeah, basically 4.58. I'm gonna put that as a 500 loss. So that's a bearish engulfing. We should be good to go now. Should be. Technically, this looks like a clean break and retest setup to me. Right, you could be at break even by now. Probably should be at break even by now, actually. I'm going to put out break even and let it run. Hopefully I get a chance to trail my stop loss now. I don't feel like I should right now. It's getting there. It's getting to the point where I will trail it. All right, Bunny, I'm gonna basically get back what I lost. So I've trailed it to where, nah, see, it's not giving it no breathing room. You at least want to give it that little bit of a candle breathing room, you know, trail it behind the candle. Nah, man, it's gonna take me out of fucking break even. Yeah. Break evens, gay. Maybe NASDAQ has taken out this low. That was the liquidity sweep right there, and now it wants to push to the upside. That's a strong bullish candle. So if it continues that way for NASDAQ, I will buy. I'm gonna buy NASDAQ. I'm buying NASDAQ. I'm in. When you're trailing, when you got intraday trailing, you know you gotta be a little bit more cautious, man, with these pullbacks. If it was end of day, I wouldn't really care. I'd just let it play out. But I gotta kind of be like opening and closing my trades more, which is frustrating. But it is what it is. Kind of forces me to close my trades in profit. All right, so if it carries on bearish, I'm just gonna close my trade. I've secured 1,000 now, so worst thing that can happen is I make 1,000. There it is. Fuck it. It can pop off to the moon. It can do whatever it likes now. 924. I'm alright with that.
Bad like I'm growing the crop.